Rainforest animals. Three-toed sloth. Sloths have an incredibly low metabolic rate and need only a few leaves and twigs for nutrition, along with a very slow digestive system leading to their sluggish pace. In combination, the sloth's anatomical structure differs from other mammals in having very long arms with very short shoulder blades. Poison dart frog. This golden poison dart is one of a diverse group of brightly colored frogs found in the rainforests of northern South America. From Colombia's Pacific coast, this frog has enough poison to kill 10 adult men. And with poison glands under the skin, even a touch can be enough to cause death. There are 3 species of cassowary in northern, southern, and dwarf. All are large, flightless birds closely related to the emu. Jaguar. Jaguars are found in South and Central America, preferring wet lowland habitats, swampy savannas, and tropical rainforests. The jaguar has the strongest bite of all the cat families with a bite of force 1.4 kilogram per square meter. Its bite is twice as strong as a lion's. Anacondas can constrict, kill, and eat prey up to their own body weight, allowing them to take on large prey such as caimans, wild pigs, and even jaguars. Gorilla. Although the most numerous of all gorilla subspecies, the western lowland gorilla picture is still an endangered species. They inhabit the remote, dense tropical rainforests of Angola, Gabon, Cameroon, the Central African Republic, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Equatorial Guinea. Black howler monkey. The black howler monkey is so named because of the loud howl it makes when marking its territory. These animals have a complicated social structure and have been witnessed participating in funeral rituals for departed members of their family as well as mourning their loss. Sun bear. Bear is the smallest species of bear in the world. It's also the only species of bear that is mostly arboreal, spending the majority of its life off the ground. Siamang. Growing up to 1.5 meters long, Siamangs are the largest species of gibbons in the world. Okapi. Despite having zebra-like markings, the rare and unusual-looking okapi is actually a member of the giraffe family. Thank you for watching and see you next video.